going to learn daily English sentence practice. Translate odia to English. So let's start. First sentence मुखस्थ करिबा get by heart, get by heart. Next sentence प्रकाश करिबा give out, give out. Next sentence प्रकाश हेबा come out, come out. Next sentence त्याग करिबा give up, give up. Next sentence तोड़ी दबा drive out, drive out. Next sentence काढ़ी पकाइबा put up, put up. Next sentence खाई दबा eat up, eat up. Next sentence आक्रमण करिबा fall upon, fall upon. Next sentence खसी आसिबा get down, get down. Next sentence चली जिबा go away, go away. Next sentence पछेइबा leave behind, leave behind. Next sentence क्षति करिबा do mischief, do mischief. Next sentence अनुग्रह करिबा do a favour, do a favour. Next sentence सोई पड़िबा lie down, lie down. Next sentence लेखी रखिबा put down, put down. Next sentence गाड़ी देबा call bad names, call bad names. Next sentence पळाइबा run away, run away. Next sentence डाकी पठाइबा send for, send for. Next sentence कलम काटिबा mend a pen, mend a pen. Next sentence पेंसिल काटिबा cut a pencil, cut a pencil. Last sentence घास काटिबा mow grass, mow grass. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope एथिरु आपनकु किछि सिखिबाकु मिलिथिबो. So please वीडियो को लाइक करंतु, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु. Thank you and take care.